2015 Ram Laramie EcoDiesel 1500. Hi, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let's talk a little bit about this cherry red EcoDiesel Laramie with 73,000 miles. It's a local. I bought it from an estate. I actually sold it to them a little over a year ago. Crew cab, 4x4, automatic, 6.3 foot bed, heated and cooled seats, heated rear seats, moonroof, factory navigation, factory Alpine, factory remote start, all the goodies, all the phone hookups, the tow package. Yeah, pass inspection with flying colors. It's nice and clean. What else can we tell you about it? It hasn't had a ball. A lot of guys use these half tons to tow. This one hasn't had a ball in the box. You can get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. We can get you in and out of here in under 20 minutes once you're pre-approved. Let's talk about price. We advertise real prices, no hidden fees. We have a $145 documentation fee. That's disclosed. That's it. No other hidden fees, no cleanup fees, no service fees, no market fees, no adjustment fees, no dealer fees, none of that garbage. A lot of dealers advertise a low price, but it's not the real price. It's dishonest. It's probably illegal. Not us. Price you see is the price you can pay. So let's recap. 2015, 73,000 miles, independently inspected, fast in and out financing, no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.